Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. So I've got a lovely, I can't even remember the length of it. I think it's 60 by 40 canvas. It's a nice, oh no, it can't be that. I can't find that. Anyway, my husband's pinched my Duvalaki, my measuring tape. So I've been doing a series of these all in different colours. So you probably will have seen them. This one's waiting to be resined. I did a hot pink. I did red background, and I did different kind of techniques. This was a colourful one. I did this one, which I did, this one's been sitting there for a while, because I did do it and then I added my resin, but I put glitter in the resin, like a glitter pigment in the resin, but it sent it dulled down how bright it looked, and I really, even though it's got a beautiful sparkle, I loved how bright it was. So I'm going to do, so I'm doing them in all different sort of shades. So I'm going to try again with a dark background today and try and make it look a bit classy, but I'm going to do a different background. I'm going to show you quickly how I make up for just like a really nice lacing. So it's kind of like the bloom recipe. You get the best results for the lacing that I want to is the Amsterdam acrylic. This is just titanium white, and I've already got some Australian Floetrol in here decanted, just so it's not in the great big containers, the heavy container. So just add in a bit of the Australian Floetrol. Just add a bit at a time. I just find it easier, and give it a stir. But for really nice cells, you need to have this. I mean, it's only a bit, you only need a bit. You need to have this quite thick, I find. Not too thick, not toothpaste thick, that's a little bit too thick. So I just add a little bit more. I mean, if you add a bit too much Floetrol, then just add some more of the white paint. You can use titanium blue, you can use titanium black, gold, and it will all create a nice lacing if that's what you want. So that's what I would like for kind of a background to a more classy bloom with well, I'll just show you when I do it. It's going to try and keep it minimalistic. That's why I sort of want a really nice kind of background, and hopefully these lacing that this is going to help me create doesn't kind of disappear into it. That should be fine. So I just wanted to show you that because so many people ask me, how do you do the lacing? So I've got some really, I mixed it last week. It's like, it's a black blue. It's kind of, they reckon the darkest black you can get is actually mixed with navy. It actually makes it go darker. So, but when you put it down, you can see it's a very, very dark, I just call it black navy, a black blue, black and blue. So I'll get all of that on there. I probably need to, it's probably better if you actually spread this out with a spatula, more so than this, I think, because you need the background to be quite thick of paint for what I'm going to do. Still might have to add a little bit more. Because I'm doing a swipe through it, it needs to be very fluid. Let's give this a go. Flow. So using my little white cell magic. I won't skimp on that because I'm doing the swipe down each way, and I might need to go both ways. So I've just got soft plastic file divider, and I just drop probably the very tip and just draw it along very slowly, and watch the cell or the lace appear. I need to set up my separate camera because this lacing is unbelievable. I will bring you down in a second to have a look at just the lace on its own. It's just gorgeous. So clean your swipe tool off because it'll just muddy up your camera. Just really nice and slow, and you just watch the magic happen. Slow, 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 slow. Lovely. Have to bring. That is what I'm talking about. Look at that. Anybody got any tips of capturing that on my camera? Would be lovely, you know, as I do it. Probably do, as I said, need a second camera set up to capture that. Step 2, right, colours that I want to add into this. So I was going to do a floral chain that away. I still might. Let me give it a go. So I'm going to add a nice big chunk of my gold. Now this is, oh my gosh, I made it out of, I'm going to add a little bit of Floetrol just because it has gone a bit thick. It's kind of made a nice russety colour. And it was using, I mixed it up myself, can't remember now. Anyway, old people lose their memories. It's like a real earthy colour. So I don't know whether to just leave it, those two colours with the black. Let's give it a go and see what it looks like. Now I was going to use my dryer to blow it out, but I think I'm going to use the straw. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my lordy, 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 Miss Claudie. Let's just see. Oh, that is beautiful. Yes, I can use those on something else for sure. The balloon kisses. Just give me a secky wecky. I love it. Wow, I did not think those colours would look as gorgeous as they do, but they really do. So. Do I go along in a ribbon effect? I think I will. I'll do the main bigger one there, and I'll do some smaller dibbly-doos. Just bear with me, crazy lady at work. Well, should I say play, not work. My therapy, you're joining me for my therapy time. And lucky are you. Now I'll have to remember what this colour was. I said it in a previous video, so I'll have to go back. I can't remember how I mixed it. I'll have a look on my little colour chart that I keep myself here. So happy with that because that lacing behind it really sets it off. And don't panic over this colour, Gilly, because I've got it written down how I made it, and I did say it in a previous video because it was a custom colour but made very simply. So this will be my bloom ribbon, but love that. That is fabulous. I'll do it the same. Oh, I'll do it the same way. Should I add my black to the? Let's give it a go first. See what the little ones look like. Oh, very sweet. No, I like them with the black in. Take your time, be patient. I'm talking to myself here, telling myself to be patient. I kind of, when I'm doing a video, I seem to want to rush it because I feel people won't want to watch all this boring bits. And so I kind of rush, and then it's not doing the work any justice if I do that. But I can't get over how fabulous those colours are together. So give this a little balloon kiss. If I can quickly show you. Oh my gosh. I've done it before, showed you many times. And because a lot of people have said, why don't you use those balloon kisses for something else? So this is a 10 pearl cards with envelope. So you can, that's a pearl card, right? And I've got the envelope, so you can make your own gift cards. How can I do this quickly? Gee. I'm going to put my card, so this is to make your own gift cards using your balloon kisses. So that's my card. I'll have it that way. I've got it ready here, right? So when I balloon kiss these areas, I'm going to put the kisses onto the card. Excuse me. And I use the balloon. That one doesn't look such a good one anyway. Try again. Use the balloon. That looks a nice one. Now, kiss on my card. So you can do your own gift cards. I'm just quickly showing you that because so many people have said, why don't you use those balloon kisses for your card, homemade card? So this is what I'm doing. And I've done it on a video plenty of time, but it's just recently I've had a lot of people say, there is my own little personal gift card. So when that's dry, I can write something in gold over it. Love you, just because, anything. So with my own personal balloon kisses, I can add a little balloon kiss on the inside. So that's a very personal little gift to give somebody, isn't it? Right, going off track here now. So I just want to add to this a little bit more black. Slow yourself down. Remember, this is about enjoying the process, even if it isn't for anyone or it isn't for selling, and you just do it every now and again for joy, then that's all good. Might just kiss out some of that black area. I can't get over how super duper those colours are. So, okay, I'll whiz and do these side now because I've taken too much of your time. Oh, that is fabulous. I'll show you the other colour combo I did as well on a long canvas like this last week. I don't want you to get too bored. Sorry. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to leave that one as it is for a minute, and I might get my little skewery, Nanima skewery, kind of link each one, just using the skewer. So it is a kind of a ribbon chain of blooms, isn't it? Those are kind of linked. I mean, you can do this after it's dry, I guess. I've got another combo up there, another blues. So this was another combo I did, all dry, and I'm not sure whether I'll resin it or just give it a really nice coat of gloss varnish. But so that was another colour combo. I'm just... Look at that in the lacing. How wonderful does that look? Oh, it's gorgeous. Yeah, I don't know where my red, I did it, the red one with the lacing in the background, like exactly the same as this. Must have it over there on my drying rack. But with I did it with the black background and red flowers, red and gold. But that is terrific, and that centre flower is phenomenal. So I think I'm going to let this dry, and then when it's dry I think I'll gold in a ribbon to link all of them, but probably won't do that for a few weeks. I've got so much on at the moment, trying to fit a bit of a break in. Anyway, my lovelies, I am so thankful for you joining me. Oh, before I forget, there's my little gift card with my own personal signature on them. Yeah, just want to remind you all, as I like to do, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you, then certainly a helpline. Okay, take care. Bye for now.